Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about how can we show desktop icon if we have removed or if not show on our desktop. So this is icon for the Windows 11. So if you want, you can try for Windows 10, but I think this is for the Windows 11, so easily work. So how can we find and how can we show the icon, my computer, this PC or something like that, because it's very important. Sometimes it's removed by mistake or sometimes it's not showing on our desktop. So this is very important to show to go our drive or something like that. So let's get started. First of all, I want to click here from my desktop. I want to click here for the personalization, personalize. Then I want to click again for the personalize. After that, you will see the option themes. Okay, so I want to click here for the themes. Then scroll below and you will see the option desktop icon setting, and I want to click here. And here you will see all the icon for the desktop. So I want to show the computer icon on my desktop or my PC. So I want to click here computer and I want to just apply it. Then okay. So after that I want to check it's show or not. Okay, it's showing that here. So this is our desktop icon for the Windows 11. This is very cool, I think. If you think this video is very helpful for you, please subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends, and please hit the like for the next videos. Okay, also check out my other video. I am providing best videos for the affiliate marketing, freelancing, blogging, website design and other topics. So till then, bye, tata.